Police?
Doesn't she look kind of familiar?
You're right.
Sir, Papillon.
Dobby, what happened to you?
Are you okay?
I'm okay. Just ate too much stinky sweet fruit. Oh, wait! Antel's allergic too. Her face looks strange too.
What? Was that Antel just now? We gotta hurry.
So dizzy.
Dobby!
He's worse than we thought. Let's get him to the hospital.
Got it. Oh, I feel awful. Where's the hospital?
Sheriff Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, when you try new food, be careful. Take just a tiny bite first. If you feel itchy, get spots, or feel unwell, tell a grown-up right away. And go see a doctor if you need to. Please remember that.
Woof!
Doctor time! I feel awful! I'm almost there! Thank goodness! I lost the cups! Gotta see the doctor right now!
Don't forget to take your medicine. Next, please.
Doctor! I feel terrible! Please help me!
Your face.
My face? Is it serious?
Don't worry, it's just an allergy. Good thing you came in time. We can fix it.
Oh! Phew, good to hear.
Let me apply some medicine. You must not touch water for a while, or it'll get worse.
Got it! No water at all! Huh? My face looks better already! Back to the mission! The cops!
You guys wait over there. I'll take a number.
I gotta get out of here!
Oh, that's not fair. I was here first.
Let's sit over...
I love you so much, Bridget. I love you so much. Oh.
Who are you talking to?
Your number's ready.
Oh,
Oh, it's Sheriff Labrador!
She's so weird. She didn't even open the can.
Shh! Quiet! I just forgot! I wasn't supposed to touch water! Gotta find a way to get out of here! Aha!
Mr. Dobby!
coming!
Phew! Lucky they didn't notice me! I can finally get out of here!
You're hurt. You can't run around like that.
I'm not hurt!
Huh? I can't understand you. But don't worry, I'll help you. Next patient for the shot.
A shot! A more headshot! Don't run! No! got a shot! Water again! Oh, itchy! So itchy!
Antel?
The cops!
Stop right there! She's not on this floor. Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2.
Not here
3,
either.
4.
So tired. Oh no, I'm surrounded!
Let's split up.
Got it.
What do I do? What do I do? Such a busy day! Phew, they didn't notice me! Whoa! So many babies! I'll bring one back to Boss. She'll be so happy! The nurse is gone! Perfect! Which one should I take? It's you then! Come with me, little one! Oh, so cute! Why does my skin feel hot?
Who are you?
Gotta run!
Oh, Antel!
Hurry!
Don't move!
Antel?
More cops! Oh, there's an exit!
Huh?
Watch out! You'll never catch Dr. Antel! Oh, this hospital is on the water! Pull me up! I can't touch water!
She really can't touch water.
Take her to the doctor. Sheriff's note.
Things to keep in mind.
Kids, when you're sick, you need to listen to the doctor and follow what they say. That way, you'll feel better faster. If you don't listen to them, your sickness might get worse, and you could have more problems. So remember, take your medicine, rest well, and do what the doctor tells you. That's how we get better. Please remember that.
Big Challenge Day.
Wow! Water City Challenge Day is amazing! And it smells so yummy here! Ugh! Smells like ointment! Sheriff Connie Corso, you're back!
That's right. I'm feeling much better. Wada!
Wow!
How could I miss Challenge Day? Ha
Neither could I!
Oh, put your hands down. Just so you know, on Challenge Day, raising your fist means you're starting a challenge.
Oh, got it!
Let's split up and go patrol.
Catching kids again? So boring. What's going on over there? Oh, it's so lively today. I gotta check it out. Whoa, what's all this? I better take a look. Whoa! Yum! What's up over here? Wow. Wait, a kid? Oh no, I have a job to do. Gotta move.
Wow, so many toys! Huh? Oh, what a pretty ball!
La 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 la.
Amazing!
So many people over there. I'll go look around first. My job can wait.
Hey, don't push!
Ouch! You stepped on my foot.
Huh? What's going on?
Let me see. Move over.
Come on!
Hey, what's happening in front?
It's a wrestling match.
Police!
I found Antel! Got it!
Hi-yo!
Mr. Walrus touched the ground. Out!
Hi-ya!
Wow! Officer Dopey's challenging Mr. Seaweed!
Ho-ho!
Oh no, I forgot!
Show me what you got! Hey!
Wasn't the cop chasing me? Why is he wrestling now? Phew, I better get back to base now.
Wow! Amazing!
Whoa, that looks fun! I'll just take one more paint.
Angel's near the flatbread tossing match.
Huh? I'm close! I'll take care of it!
Wow! Whoa, so cool!
There she is! I can't let her escape again! I'll sneak up behind her!
Wow! Wow! Whoa, awesome! Ah! Police again! Gotta run!
Stop right there!
Hey!
Look, Officer Papillon's challenging the flatbread master.